guys, this is Juhi and I'm from Delhi. So this is the day 19 of my English practice journey, and first of all welcome back on my channel. And yes, how are you all? I am fine, good, enthusiastic and fantastic. So tell me in a comment box how are you all, and in a Delhi and in a Delhi uh, cold waves still going on. And so what about your city's weather? Tell me in a comment box. And so guys, today's topic is very interesting. Today I want to talk about clarity over speed. Okay, so yes guys, many learners think that speaking in a speed uh, is well speaking, but that is not true. Okay, I think clarity is more important than speed. If anyone can't understand what you are, mama's calling me. So, if anyone can't understand what you are saying, what you are saying or telling to them, so how is it really fluency? I think not. This is not a fluency. So yes, always choose clarity over your speed. Okay. Today I am working on my clarity. Uh, Today I am trying to speak slowly and more clear than yesterday. And uh, I'm also that girl who always talking in a rush. I choose rush over my words. So yes, but now because I am learning, so my today's goal is that I choose clarity. Okay, over my speed, over my speaking speed. And usually by naturally or by default my speaking speed is so fast. Even my friends teases me that you are speaking in a 4x speed, Juhi, please slow down this speed. But I always say to them that it is a naturally, and it will take long time. It will take long time to slow down my this speaking speed. But yes, I am trying. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, so now move on our today's topic, which is a clarity over speed. Okay, so guys, I forgot my this mic, tuta puta mic, but yes, this is still working. This mic is still working. Okay, so I used to I use this mic. Okay, so now, so guys, when I started learning English, I tried to speak very fast. Okay, I thought that speaking fast English would hide my mistakes. Okay, and instead of clarity, I was nervous and confused. Okay, so now one thing I understood that speaking fast, sorry, speaking clear is more important than speaking fast. Okay, so guys, when we speak slowly and clearly, we feel more confident. Okay, and we feel more confident. We we get the chance to choose our words, to uh, to think and to express ourselves better. Okay, so yes, uh, don't rush with your words and speak slowly with clarity. And it is the good way to express yourself, because when you speak slowly, you have a time to choose to think properly. Okay, to choose your words your to choose your words, to choose your sentences. Yes. So guys, um, speaking clearly helps listener to understand us. It also helps us to improve our pronunciation or sentences. Okay. So guys, yes, it is also help us to reduce our fear and improves our pronunciation. Okay, there is no hurry in our learning. Okay, everyone has it their own pace. So don't hesitate or don't feel so bad that you are slow. Okay, no, no, slow is not a sign of that you are not learning. It is a sign of that you are um, learning, but you are behind. uh, Not, you are not behind, you are learning in a slow pace. Okay, everyone has its own journey, everyone has its own pace, so don't compare yourself with another one. Okay, so guys, I am learning to pause, to speak, and uh, to say with intention. Okay, even one clear sentence is far better than many rushed words. Okay, confidence comes with when you are not comparing yourself with another one. Okay, so yes, uh, make your voice clear. Okay, and work on your voice that it should be clear, or it should be clear, not rushed. Okay, and yes, I'm also trying, and I'm also growing, evolving, and learning. And so guys, I think I should sum up this video here. This is more than enough to talk about clarity over speed. Okay, and now you understand that how much clarity mm, is important than your speed. Okay, so guys, speak to be understand, not to impress. Okay, and your voice to be patience. Okay, and choose clarity over your rushed words. And you know what guys, clarity builds confidence. Okay, one you have to be understand to the listener. Okay, and so guys, now it's time to sum up this video. And this is the Day-19 of my English practice journey, and I choose clarity over my speed. Okay, and I'm trying to more clear than yesterday, and stay consistent to your goals. So guys, now it's time to wrap up this video. So if you are also also speak English learner, so it's okay to be slow, to speak English slow, but as long as you don't stop your English speaking. And yes, thank you for watching. Till then, bye bye, and keep growing, keep learning, and yes, keep believe in yourself. Thank you.